So I really want to thank you for allowing me to come in right now. I know. We just can't trust anybody out there. Why am I wearing the jacket? Do you know how many snakes are out there and spiders? I've got to protect myself. And the hat, obviously, is to hide my identity. What am I looking for? Oh, come on. You know better than that. You know why I'm here. There's people everywhere trying to get in. People looking for the Holy Grail. People looking for the golden idol, as you know. I've been looking everywhere. And to think that I had it for a moment and it slipped through my fingers. I'm thinking maybe the Nazis have it, I'm not sure. But I'm not going to give up. I've been in South America now for 2 weeks. I'm not going home. Yes, it's crazy out there. Do you have anything to drink, by the way? Yeah, that would be awesome. Thank you. Oh, great, thanks. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh my God. How can I trust you if I give you any information? Do you have any gold or anything that you can share with me? Oh, thank you. Where did you find this? Yeah. And what's inside? Of coins. And this one is very tarnished. I suppose I could give you some information. For allowing me to seek refuge here for a little while. Thank you. What are those? Where did you get those? These are almost like the golden idol. don't know where the golden idol is, do you? To think that I had it in my hands like this, and they took it from me. But I'm determined to get it back. Oh. Well, you know, I've been having dreams at night in the forest about the golden idol. I just keep seeing a temple, and I feel that I might be able to find it. But I may need your help. Yeah. Tell me, do you have a book or something I can write on? I want to write down what my vision is of what I saw. Okay. Yes, thank you. These pages are blank. A perfect canvas. Not unlike what I saw in my dream. Something down. See if I can create my vision of what I saw. What's that? Well, I know I really didn't have much going for me in the United States. That's why I'm here in South America. No. I never had a good job. That's why I'm out here as a treasure hunter, trying to find my riches, you know. I don't want to die broke, and I just haven't done well. And I figure this might be a good plan, don't you? Not really. Well, it's the only plan I've got. Just trying to find that golden idol before somebody else gets it. I could be rich. I could be rich. I could be rich. So yeah, let me go ahead and write down and sketch what I feel that I saw. And again, I appreciate you allowing me to be here away from everybody while I put my thoughts together. It's almost like I don't know, like a temple. A pyramid of some sort from ancient times. Yes, I've always been a dreamer. Indiana. What's your name? Yeah. It's so hard, hunting treasure